Hello tech lovers! Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into the Logitech Signature Slim Solar Plus Wireless Bluetooth Keyboard K980, a sleek, eco-friendly keyboard designed for long-lasting productivity. If you're tired of constantly changing batteries or worrying about charging, this keyboard might be your dream come true. Powered by both solar energy and artificial light, it promises up to 10 years of battery life. Yes, you heard that right, a whole decade without worrying about running out of juice. Its slim, minimalist design fits beautifully on any desk setup. The keys are customizable, letting you assign shortcuts for your favorite apps, making multitasking effortless. Typing is a joy thanks to Logitech's perfect stroke keys, which provide quiet, fluid keystrokes that feel comfortable for long hours of work or study. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth, supporting multiple devices at once, so you can easily switch between your laptop, tablet, or smartphone without unplugging a single cable. Not only is it functional, but it's also designed with sustainability in mind. The graphite color adds a professional and modern touch, while the solar-powered feature reduces the need for disposable batteries, helping both your wallet and the planet. Installation is a breeze, just pair it with your device, and you're ready to go. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, this keyboard boosts efficiency while staying eco-conscious. And here's a tip, you can place it near a window or under your desk lamp to keep it fully charged effortlessly. So, if you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a stylish, high-performance, and eco-friendly keyboard, grab the Logitech Signature Slim Solar Plus K980 today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Happy typing!